is a common tool used to measure distance, but tape measurements require some corrections to be applied to the measured distance depending upon the conditions under which the measurements were made. These corrections can be correction for temperature, correction for absolute length, correction for pull or tension, and so on. But in this short video, we'll talk about the tape correction for temperature. Remember, if the tape is used at field temperature different from the standard temperature, then the temperature correction to the measured length can be Ct equals alpha times Tm minus T0 times L, where Ct equals correction for temperature, alpha is the coefficient of thermal expansion of the tape material, Tm is the mean field temperature, and T0 represents the standard temperature at which the tape can be manufactured. Let's suppose we measure a distance of 231.85 meters by using a 30 meters long tape made at standard temperature of 29 degrees centigrade. During measurements, the field temperature was noted as 16 degrees centigrade. Let's say we are asked to work out the true measured length if the coefficient of expansion of the tape material is 116 times 10 raised to power minus 7 per degree centigrade. So as you can see, everything that we need are given, so I'll come directly into the solution. And in the solution, the first thing I need to calculate is the temperature correction, which can be alpha times Tm minus T0 times L. So we need only putting in the formula, like Ct equals the alpha, which is the coefficient of expansion of tape material, and it is given, okay, 116 times 10 raised to power minus 7 times Tm, which is the mean temperature noted at the field, and it is given 16 degrees centigrade, minus T0, and it is also given, which is 29 degrees centigrade, times the measured length, and it is of course given, that is the distance between 2 points measured by a 30 meter long tape, okay, which is of course 221.85. so when you do little mathematics with this formula, of course we'll get Ct equals minus 0.0349 meters. So this is just the correction for temperature, okay? Now to calculate the true length, we need to subtract this video because this came in minus. So now the true length must be equal the measured length, which is 231.85 minus the temperature correction, which is 0.0349. So the true length now is going to be 231.8151 meters, and that's it. So this is how we can calculate the true length after calculating the temperature correction for tape. In the next video, I'll try to bring an example about the tape correction for pull or tension. So for that, just wait. Hey, if you like these types of videos, please hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon, and never miss an update from an engineer boy. Thank you dears for watching. See you next time. Salam.